Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Kylas Sales CRM step by step in order to manage leads, track the deals, and organize your entire sales process in one place. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you want to try Kylas CRM for yourself, you will find its affiliate link in the description. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some sign-up bonuses and rewards depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, when you click on the link that is given in the description, you will be landed here on the official homepage of Kylas. Now, over here, before either booking a demo or starting a trial absolutely for free, let's just briefly understand what Kylas CRM actually is. So Kylas CRM is a customer relationship management tool which is designed for small and medium businesses. It is going to help you capture and manage the leads, track the deals in a pipeline, manage the contacts and the companies, automate sales activities, and analyze the performance. So instead of using spreadsheets, everything is organized in one system. To get started, you can just simply click on the option of Start Free Trial on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, you just have to fill out a form in which you need to provide your email address, create a strong password for your account, and then simply provide your phone number. On the next page, it is going to ask to verify your phone number. And as soon as you do this on your email address, you will get the account activation link. So when you click on that link, you can basically create a password and then you can log in into your account. So when you log in for the very first time, you will see a setup screen. So it is going to look something like this. So here you just have to click on this drop down menu and select your base currency. This is important because all of the deals and the revenue will be tracked in this particular currency. Now once you are done, click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then click on the option of yes, proceed. Now as soon as you do this, you are going to see your default dashboard, which is going to look something like this. So over here at the top, we have this search bar for quick access in order to find any kind of leads or deals. After that, we have this plus icon on the top right hand corner. If you want to create any lead here, contact, company, if you want to add the deals, add the quotations. Here in the left hand section, we have some of the options like dashboard, leads, deals, contacts, companies, and reports. So the dashboard is going to give you a quick overview of your sales activity. So after understanding the dashboard, let's just hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of leads. Now when you are inside the lead section, you will find it empty. So here you can add a lead by clicking on this add option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here you need to provide the first name and then the last name, which is the general information for your lead. Then click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now your lead is going to come over here something like this. So with the help of this particular lead section, you can view all of your leads. You can also use the filter by using these filters section here on the top, and then you can also search in order to find any kind of leads over here. So this is where all of your potential customers will be stored basically. Afterwards, when you hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of deals, so the deal section is going to look something similar to the leads section, but the deal section is going to represent the actual sales opportunities here. So in order to add a deal, click on the option of add on the top right hand corner of the screen. And now you are going to see this type of form in front of you. So over here, you just have to add the name, which includes the basic information, select the owner, the estimated closure date. After that, select the pipeline, stage, contact, and the company. Then you can provide some of the other product and the services related information. So you can enter the estimated value here, then campaign information. So you can click on any of these options and start providing all of the information about your deal. When you are done, simply click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and similar to lead, all of your deals will come over here in this particular section. So with the help of it, you can basically track the deal progress, sales pipeline, and closing probability. So this is going to help you understand how close you are to closing a sale. Then if we hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of contacts, you are going to see this type of contact section. So contacts store the individual customer details, and you can also add companies, which is going to store the business level information. So click on the option of add on the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, simply provide the basic information, which is the first name and the last name. For communication, you can add the email address and the phone number. When you are done, click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this section is going to help you keep all the communications organized. So you can add as many contact details as possible. Afterwards, if we just hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of tasks and activities, as the name suggests, Kylas is going to allow you to manage your tasks and your activities. So here you can click on the option of add on the top right hand corner. Now you can either add a quick task here or a detailed task. So it depends on you what you want to add. For the sake of this video, I'm going to add a quick task over here. So I can select the date, assigned to, and the priority of this task. And then after providing the task, I can click on the option of add task in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So all of your tasks will come here in the my tasks section. You can also select the option of my open tasks today, my open tasks tomorrow, and my high priority tasks. So as you can see, I gave this particular task a high priority, and now it is going to look something like this. If you want to add any notes over here, you can click on the notes option and add the description. So with the help of this particular section, you can schedule the meetings, you can log the calls, you can then track the follow-ups, and this ensures that you never miss any kind of important action. Afterwards, we also have the option of reports, which is the last option here in the left hand side. So the report section is going to basically help you with tracking the team performance, analyze the sales trends, monitor the conversations. So reports are very helpful for you to understand what is working and what needs the improvement. You can definitely anytime click on the option of create a new report on the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you can provide some of the basic information like report name, report type, then report description. After that, fill out all of these details and click on the option of save in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now, the best part about Kylas is that you are also going to see the option of marketplace here. So marketplace is going to basically help you connect with the tools like QuickBooks, Zoho, payment tools, communication apps, etc. So you just have to select the app, then log in and grant the access for it. So that's how basically you can start using Kylas Sales CRM step by step. You can manage the leads, you can track the deals, and even analyze the performance. And the best part is that everything is handled here in just one place. So if you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to try Kylas, you will find its affiliate link in the description. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.